Welcome to Physics and Rapid YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to solve problems on numerical techniques. I am going to solve the previous year question paper of KSET from 2013 to 2025 in one shot. Yes, let us start with the first question. What does the first question says? The Newton-Raphson formula is given by. It is a very easy question and it is a direct question. The Newton-Raphson formula is given by xn plus 1, which is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f prime of xn. F prime of xn is a derivative of this f of xn. Okay, which is the right option? If I compare with the options given, option B is the right option, right? Yes, let us proceed to the next question. What is the next question we have? The value of the integral. Integral runs from -1 to +1 e to the power of x dx using the Simpson's 1 by third rule. How to solve this? Yes, we can solve. They have given the f of x, or we can call it as a y. F of x can be written as y to be equal to e to the power of x. That is a function of x, or we can call it as a y, which is equal to e to the power of x, and the integration which runs from -1 to +1, right? Now we want to give, they have not given anything, that is h represents here difference also they have not given. So I'm going to take the difference of 1, that is -1, 0 and +1. If x takes the value -1, what is the value of y? It will be e to the power of -1, right? And if x takes the value 0, what is the y value? Y value will be e to the power of 0. E to the power of 0 is 1. If x takes the value +1, so what is the y value? Y value is e to the power of 1. I hope this table is understood. Now I am taking this to be y0 and this value to be y1 and this value to be y2. For this table, the Simpson's 1 by third rule formula is yn is given as h divided by 3. I told h is the difference. Y0 plus y2 plus 4 times of y1. Okay, this is the Simpson's 1 by third formula only for this table. Okay, now apply the values. H is here, I took the difference of 1, so if I take the difference of 1, it will be h value will be 1 divided by 3, and y0 plus y2, y0 value is 1 divided by e. Can I write? Yes, y2 is e plus 4 times of y1 is 1. Now on solving this, we will get the solution to be equal to this option B. This option B, that is 2.362, will be the solution on solving this. Yes, I hope this question is clear to you people. And if this extends, means if we have a y3 term, y4 term, y5, and what will be this formula means, you will get the formula to be yn, which is equal to h divided by 3, y0 plus, this time it will be y5 plus 4 times of odd terms. Okay, odd terms means y1, y3, like that, and plus 2 times of even terms. Even term is y2 and y4. Yes, I hope everyone is clear with this question. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. What we have in the next question: error in the trapezoidal formula of the order of. So it is also a direct question. It is a order of h square. Okay, so h square is the right option. Whereas in a Simpson's 1 by third and the Simpson's 3 by 8th rule, the error in that formulas will be h to the power of 4. In the trapezoidal, it will be h square. Okay. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. What we have in this question: which interpolation formula does not give any information regarding any error committed during approximation? That is a Lagrange interpolation. This is also a direct formula. Okay, you will get to know about all this in the coming questions. Okay, yes. Next question is the value of integral from 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x by Simpson's rule. They have not particularly asked Simpson's 1 by 3rd or Simpson's 3 by 8th rule. We have two rules under Simpson's. So that is 1 by 3rd and 3 by 8th. So we are going to solve, I'm going to solve this question on 1 by 3rd rule. I have already written the formula in the previous question. Now the x I'm going to take the difference of 0.5. Okay, here it will be 0, 0.5 and 1. Three terms we are going to get, and y is 1 divided by 1 plus 0. It will be 1, and 1 divided by 1 plus 0 0.5, that is equal to 1 divided by 1.5. We are going to get around 0.666, and here 1 divided by 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 1 by 2 is 0 0.5. Okay, we need to substitute in the formula, that is yn, which is equal to h divided by 3. This will be y0, this will be y1, and this will be y2. Y0 plus y2 into 4 times of y1, right? So we are going to get, substituting the values, we are going to get the answer. It's here, it is a difference of 0 0.5 divided by 3. Y0 value is 1 and y2 is 0.5 plus 4 times of 1 divided by 1.5. On solving this question, we will get the answer that is nearly equal to option C, that is 0.694 something we are going to get, that will be equal to this option C. That option will be nearly equal to these two options as well, but in the key answers they have given option C is the right option. Okay, yes, let us proceed to the next question. What we have in this next question? Yes, I have already explained about this. The order of the error in a Simpson rules for numerical integration with a step size h is, in the trapezoidal rule, the order of the error is h square. Here it will be h to the power of 4. The order of error is h to the power of 4. Okay, yes, let us proceed to the next question. Next question, what we have, the Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule gives exact analytic results for the numerical integration of the function. Okay, see, this Simpson's 1 by 3rd rule gives the exact analytical results for the numerical integration only for the polynomials of order up to 3. Okay, that is only for polynomial equation of order 3, means that is a power of 3 only. Okay, that we must keep it in mind. This is a log of x. No, it is not a polynomial equation. E to the power of x is not a polynomial equation. Here we have a x to the power of 4. This is also wrong option. The right option is 10x square minus 3x. That is the right option. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. That is the exact analytical result for any polynomial of order, that is degree up to 3 or degree less than 3. Okay, the better I can say is a degree. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. Which of the following numerical techniques is used to find the root of the equation? This is a easy question only. They have given in the options Runge-Kutta method, Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, and trapezoidal rule, Newton-Raphson method. Simpson's and trapezoidal, these are the methods which are used to find the integral value. You can see now only that is a numerical integration value. They have asked 2 to 3 questions. And this Newton-Raphson method, they have asked the formula on this Newton-Raphson method, and this is the method This is used to find the roots of the equation. Okay. Along with this, we have a one more method, that is a bisection method. Okay, and this method is used to find the values of the first ordinary differential equations. Okay, so which is the right option? That is Newton-Raphson method is the right option. Instead of this, they have given bisection method also. Even that was also the right option. Okay, yes. Let us proceed to the next question. What we have in this question? The roots of the equation, that is 2x which is equal to cos x plus 3. This can be solved using the Newton-Raphson method as well as the bisection method, but that will be a very trickier and it will be very lengthy. Taking this cos x plus 3 to left hand side, it will be minus cos x minus 3, that is equal to 0. Now we can do one more method, substituting the values of these options to this equation 1. We need to get the answer that is nearly equal to 0 or equal to 0. If I substitute this option B, that is instead of x, 1.524 minus cos, to keep in terms of radians, 524 minus 3, we will get the answer nearly equal to 0.0012 something. So that is nearly equal to 0. I have calculated, we'll get the answer this much, that is nearly equal to 0. So we can directly tick to this option B, and the rest of the options we will get the answer in terms of a negative and the greater than 1. Okay, yes, let us proceed to the next question. The next question we have is the real root of the equation, that is x square minus y square which is equal to 4 and x square plus y square which is equal to 16. By using Newton-Raphson method, they have given the initial conditions. The first question, I have used this formula, x1 which is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f prime of x naught. Right, now this f of x naught, first equation they have given, it is x square minus y square. I can take minus 4 to the LHS side. Right, this is the equation number 1. Now the derivative of this equation with respect to x will be 2 times of x. Substitute the value of x naught and y naught for the first. So it will be f of x naught which is equal to x naught square plus y, minus y naught square minus 4. So x naught square minus y naught square minus 4. Here x naught and y naught value is one and the same. This get cancels. So we are getting the answer to be minus 4. Now f prime of x naught which is equal to 2 into 2.828. Okay, so now substitute the values, that is x1 which is equal to x naught value is 2.828 minus f of x naught is minus 4 divided by 2 into 2.828. So we are going to get the x1 value, that is equal to 3.162. I have solved this using the calculator and we will get the value to be equal to this. And for the next equation, that is we need to proceed with this method only, x square plus y square which is equal to 16. If we proceed with this method only, we will get the value to be equal to 2.45. So I can tick to the option B, that option B is the right option. If I solve for one, no need to solve for second, we will get to know through this options itself. Okay, yes, let us proceed to the next question. What we have in this question, the cubic polynomial based on the Newton forward interpolation formula for the following table. Okay, I'm going to write this table vertically to find delta y, delta square y to apply in the formula. So what we have, the x values, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and f of x, I can write it as f of x or I can write it as y, right? Anything is fine. Now it will be 1, 0, 1 and 10. Right. Now I need to find delta y. Y means a difference of previous and the present. That is, I'm going to do the difference of these two. 0 minus 1, it will be minus 1. And difference of these two. 1 minus 0 is 1. And difference of these two. 10 minus 1 is 9. Okay. Now, delta square y. Again, the difference of these two. 1 minus of minus, it will be 2. 9 minus 1, it is 8. Next, delta cube y. That is difference of these two. 8 minus 2 is 6. Delta cube 4, no need to find, we will get the answer. We will not get the value. Okay. Now, they have given Newton's forward interpolation formula means the starting terms we need to take means we are only interested in y naught value, that is 1, delta y is minus 1, delta square y is 2, delta cube y is 6, and x naught value is a 0. Okay. Now, what is the formula for this is f of x, or that is y, which is equal to y naught plus delta y divided by 1 factorial plus delta square y into u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus delta cube y into u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, so on. We have only up to delta cube y, so here only we can stop. Okay, here it will be u. What is this u means? U is the difference of x minus x naught divided by h. H is the difference of this x, so h value is 1 and x naught value we know it is 0, and x we don't know, that only we are going to find the polynomial, the cubic polynomial. So y value is here x, that is u, which is equal to x minus 0 divided by 1, that is equal to x. Now substitute this, so it will be y, which is equal to y naught plus u is x into delta y is minus 1 divided by 1 factorial, delta square is 2 divided by 2, 2 get cancels, x into x minus 1 plus delta cube is 6, 3 factorial, that will get cancels, u into x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so on solving this, I am going to continue here. It is okay to you people? Yes. Y, which is equal to, instead of y naught, what I can take, it is plus 1 minus x plus x square minus x, right, plus x square minus x into x minus 2. So it will be 1 minus 2x plus x square. On solving, it will be x cube minus 2 times of x square plus minus 2 times of x square minus, so it will be minus x square minus of minus plus 2 times of x plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, plus x square minus x square get cancels. What is remaining? X cube minus 2x square plus 1 is remaining. So which is the right option? Option A is the right option. I hope this question is clear to you people. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 12, and this is the easiest question. Let x naught, y naught, x1, y1, xn, yn be endpoints in the xy plane. Then the integral x naught to x and y dx using the Simpson rule, that is a formula only. So which is the right option? I have written this formula many times. It is h by 3, Simpson's 1 by third rule, y naught plus yn, 4 times of odd terms plus 2 times of even terms. Okay, yes, the option C will be the right option. Next question what we have, um, using the Runge-Kutta method for y prime means dy divided by dx, which is equal to y plus x with y of 0, means x naught value they have given 0 and y naught value they have given 1, and step size, that is h, which is equal to difference, that is 0.1, the value of only k1 in Runge-Kutta fourth order method is only the k1 they have given. The value of this k1 is h into f, the function of x naught comma y naught. H into function of x naught comma y naught means y naught plus x naught. So what is the value of h? It is 0.1. Y naught is 1 plus 0. 1 into 0.1 is 0.1. So the k value is 0.1. Option 1 is the right option. This was recently asked, that is 2024. Okay. Yes. Let us proceed to the next question. The next question what we have. Using Simpson's 1 by third rule, the value of the integral 1 to 5 f of x dx for the following data is. Yes, here only I am going to write this is y0, this is y1, y2, y3, and this is y4. This was asked in 2025. Okay. Now, so what is the Simpson's 1 by third rule? I have written many times h by 3. Here it will be y0 plus y4 plus 4 times of odd terms, that is y1 plus y3 plus 2 times of even terms, only we have y2. Yes, now substitute the terms, it will be h. What is the h value? You can find the difference here. 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, like that. The difference or the step size you can call it is 1 by 3. y0 is 2 plus y4 is 10 plus 4 times of y1 value is 4 plus y3 value is 8 plus 2 times of y2 value is 6. Right. Now the solution is 1 by 3 into 12 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 6 twos are 12. Right. Now 12 fours are 4 twos are 8 plus 4 ones are 4. Next 12 plus 12, 24. 48 plus 24, it will be 72. 72 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 24. So the value is 24. The right option is option C, is the 24. We have today in this session we have solved the 14 questions. What I observed is more questions were asked on Simpson's 1 by third rule. I hope everyone is clear and go through this video completely. You will be clear with the numerical technique concepts. Thank you for watching. For more videos, you can visit my YouTube channel.